Hello student, class 12 physics. Today is our topic electrostatic potential energy and potential energy of a system of two charges and one other topic. Now let's start. Electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy of a system of point charges is defined as the amount of work done in bringing them from infinity to their present positions. जो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जो है एक वर्क के रूप में होता है, वर्क के फॉर्म में अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क के इक्वल होता है इन ब्रिंगिंग देम फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू देयर प्रेजेंट पोजिशन. कोई भी एक चार्जेस को इन्फिनिटी टू प्रेजेंट पोजिशंस इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में लाने पे जो वर्क होता है, वर्क करना पड़ता है, जो वर्क डन हो, अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क होती है, वही क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है. नाउ रिपीटिंग अगेन, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ अ सिस्टम ऑफ अ पॉइंट चार्जेस इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन in bringing them from infinity to their present positions. Now important topics in our syllabus: potential energy of a system of two charges. Let us consider 2 point charges q1 and q2 be placed at A and B respectively. Let r1 vector r1 and vector r2 be their position vector. A and B की पोजिशन वेक्टर rq1 और rq2 की पोजिशन वेक्टर क्या है, r1 वेक्टर r1 एंड वेक्टर r2. we calculate potential energy of the system. We assume that initial both are located in infinity. हम ये मान लेते हैं कि इसकी जो इनिशियल पोजीशंस है चार्जेस Q1 एंड Q2 की, वो इनिशियल पोजीशंस क्या है, इन्फिनिटी पे है. नाउ लेट W1 एंड W2 be the amount of work done in bringing charges Q1 and Q2 respectively from infinity to their respective positions at A and B. Therefore, W1 and W2 is a work done in bringing charge Q1 charges and Q2 respectively. मतलब Q1 charges को infinity to present position पे लाने में वर्क डन Q1 एंड infinity to Q2 पे लाने पे आपका वर्क है W2. Therefore, work done in bringing the charges in their positions. The charges in their positions, then total work done W, that is equal to W1 plus W2 total work. It is a equation number first. When first charge Q1 in brought from infinity to point A, no work is done because potential at A, that is equal to 0. Now when first charge Q1 is brought from infinity to point A, no work is done because potential at A, that is equal to 0. A पे जो पोटेंशियल है वो क्या होगा, 0. In this condition the work W1 that is equal to 0 at point A. यहाँ पे कोई भी वर्क नहीं होगा। नाउ when the Q2 is brought from infinitive to point B, कोई पॉइंट चार्जेस Q2 को हम क्या करें इन्फिनिटी टू पॉइंट B पे लेके आते हैं। वर्क हैज टू बी डन, वर्क यहाँ पे होगा अगेंस्ट द पोटेंशियल डेवलप्ड एट B ड्यू टू चार्ज Q1 के कारण जो पोटेंशियल डेवलप्ड होगा उसके कारण हमें B पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हमें वर्क मिलेगा। तो वर्क पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट B, नाउ potential at B due to Q1 charges. In this condition, the potential, you know that potential that is equal to V that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 and Q1 charges के कारण पोटेंशियल B पे पोटेंशियल निकल रहा है। देन डिस्टेंस ऑफ Q1 to B is R12 small r12, where r12 that is equal to distance of AB. AB is a r12. Now work done in bringing Q2 from infinity to point B, ये तो हो गया हमारा पोटेंशियल। नाउ work done in bringing Q2 from infinity to point B. Then we know that Q that is equal to W upon V, or W that is equal to Q into V. We know that. Then we can write W2 that is equal to Q2 charges and potential is V. Then put the value of potential, then W that is equal to W2 that is equal to charges of Q2 in V की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R12, or we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12, or W2 that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 upon R12. It is work 2. The putting the value in equation number 1 W1 and W2 on putting the value in equation number first, then we get W that is equal to W1 that is equal to 0 and W2 की वैल्यू 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 dot Q1 Q2 upon R12, or we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 dot Q1 Q2 upon R12. It is the total work. Now you know that by definition this work done is stored in the system in the form of इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। ये जो वर्क है यही हमारा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के रूप में क्या होता है, स्टोर होता है। देन this work done is stored is the system in the form of electrostatic potential energy U. Electric potential energy is denoted by capital U. Then U that is equal to W that is equal to value of work 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 dot Q1 Q2 upon R1 2 R U that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R1 2. It is capital U. It is this equation or this formula is the required formula of electrostatic potential energy. Now important topics: dielectrics. Dielectrics. What is dielectrics? Then the definition of dielectrics: the substance which does not allow current to flow through them but shows electrical effect are called dielectrics. The substance, कोई substance है which does not allows current to flow through them, जो अपने से करंट को फ्लो होने नहीं देता, बट सोर्स इलेक्ट्रिकली इफेक्ट आर कॉल्ड, बट इलेक्ट्रिकली इफेक्ट जो है वो शो करता है, इट इज कॉल्ड डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स. आर रिपीटिंग अगेन, द सबस्टेंस विच डज नॉट अलाउ करेंट टू फ्लो थ्रू देम बट सोर्स इलेक्ट्रिकल इफेक्ट आर कॉल्ड डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स. एग्जाम्पल्स: पेपर, wax, wood, dry wood, plastic, etc. It is a dielectrics. Types of dielectrics: there are two types of dielectrics. First, polar dielectrics, and second is non-polar. Polar and non-polar dielectrics. Polar dielectrics, listen to carefully. Polar dielectrics are those substances in which the center of positive and negative charges do not coincide with each other because of asymmetric shape or molecules. Now, definition in our book: polar dielectrics. Polar dielectrics are those substances in which the center of positive and negative charges do not coincide with each other because of asymmetric shape of molecules. It is a polar dielectrics. And non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics are those substances in which the center of positive and negative charges coincide with each other because of their symmetric shape. Clear? Polar and non-polar dielectrics. And next class we can explain polarizations of dielectrics and इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस. सो आप लोगों को इसको अच्छे से एक बार रीड करना है फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, टुडे क्लास इज ओवर.